So friends, let's start with today's recipes. So first we're going to make the dough. So to some warm water, about 1/4 cup of warm water, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sugar and stir it till the sugar dissolves. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. And again we're going to stir this till it becomes into a very pasty kind of solution and all the yeast dissolves. Then you're going to set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes till the yeast doubles in size. So stir well till all of the yeast dissolves in this warm water and sugar mixture. Then set this aside for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you will see that it doubles or triples in size. Now to a large bowl, I'm going to take 1 cup of whole wheat flour. I'm going to add all of this yeast mixture. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of plain flour, half a teaspoon of sugar, some salt, like half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of butter at room temperature and 1/4 cup of milk. Now we're going to mix all of this well using a spatula. So just stir the mixture well. And now you're going to dust your surface with some flour and put this entire dough mixture onto the flour and just knead it till it becomes into a soft and elastic dough like this. So you can keep adding a little bit of plain flour till you get this nice soft dough. Then we're going to apply some olive oil, and then we're going to put it aside in a bowl to which I've applied olive oil and just set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see that it has doubled in size. Just punch it down completely. We're going to remove all the air from this dough. And again, you're going to put it onto a dusted surface and knead really well this time. Again, add some olive oil, apply some olive oil to your hands too, and knead this dough really well for almost 1 whole minute till you get this lovely soft dough. Now first we're going to start with making the dinner rolls. So take a small lemon-sized ball and then roll it out into a long, like that. And then you just make a circle on your finger. Take the other end, insert it into that circle. Then you pull it out, insert it from the behind, and then turn and twist the top part, and then insert this and remove any excess, and then just shape it up. I'll show you one more, and you can stop the video and watch it in parts in slow-mo. So first you make a nice long thing of the dough. Make a round like this. Take the end, take it from behind and bring it out like this. Putting it completely out like this. Take it like this, twist the top one, and then push this into this. So if there's any excess, you can take it out and then just shape it up into a dinner roll like this. And place it on a baking tin to which you've added lined up with some baking paper. Cover it and keep it. Now for the hot dog buns is the most simplest one. So again, you'll take a lemon-sized ball of the dough. Again, roll it out like this. And then you'll flatten it out like this and then roll it like this very gently. Make it into a sausage shape and again place this and cover it with a cloth. We want to cover it with a cloth because we don't want it to dry up. The top shouldn't dry up, so you have to keep it covered at all times. And now for the calzones, again you're going to take a lemon-sized ball, roll it, and then you're going to make it into a small flat roti. And using your rolling pin, you're just going to make it into a very small roti like this. Then you're going to place the chicken filling in the center. You can also use tofu, paneer. I've left the recipe of this and then some pizza pasta sauce. The link for the pizza pasta sauce will be in the description and comment section, and I'll show you the chicken filling at the end of the video. So just press it down with your thumb like this and your calzone is all ready. Again, place the calzone also on your baking tray. Now this is one extra additional way you can make it. Just take 3 strands like this and just braid it like you would make a plait or a braid, and just press it all together. Again, place this also. Now preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now you're going to give everything an egg wash. So just take 1 egg, beat it really well, and just give it an egg wash. Now I'm not putting any sesame seeds on the hot dog buns, but I'm putting it on the calzones and the dinner rolls. So just take some sesame seeds and just sprinkle them very lightly. The white sesame seeds, the toasted white sesame seeds, you get them easily in any general store. And just, it makes it look very pretty. And now you're just going to bake all of this for 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes till the top becomes nice and golden brown in color. So here are our dinner rolls. This is that braided one. And I'll show you how soft they are. And if you want, you can just apply some little melted butter to make them look nice and shiny. So you can cut up these rolls, put some nice filling and enjoy it. And this is the hot dog bun. See how soft it is? And watch the video till the end, guys. There is a shout out. And as for the chicken filling, I've just taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I've taken about 8 large cloves of garlic, minced them really fine and added it. Then I've added 1 small onion, fried the onion as well. 1 small capsicum, fried the capsicum as well. Then I've taken about 150 grams of chicken breast, cut them into very small cubes. I'm going to add that next. I'm going to mix everything really well together. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, salt to taste, some Italian red chili flakes, some Italian seasoning. Mix everything really well. Cover and cook for some time, for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat. And your chicken thing is all ready. So do try out these recipes, guys, and watch the shout out. So today's shout out for own recipe is also a very is a subscriber who has been writing to me ever since I have started YouTube, and her name is Rani Henry. And Rani has a very good sense of humor. I love her comments. She always puts a little bit of twist to the comment. So Rani, I enjoy whenever you write to me. So she always puts this little bit of Marathi, kind of thing into it, which makes it really, really amazing. If you want, you can go down and scroll on some of my videos, and you'll find Rani writing on most of my videos. Like the other day, I had made the palak cheese paratha, and Rani wrote to me, I wish I was there to have it nice and garam garam. So I'm like, let's meet up, Rani. So thanks, Rani, for being such a good support to my channel, for writing to me. And whenever you write to me, I always have a big smile on my face, because your writing is so amazing and it's so different, and you always have this little bit of twist to it. So Rani, God bless you and your family. Keep writing to me, stay happy, and be happy and have a great day. So thanks again, Rani Henry. If you like today's recipe, you know what to do. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please share my recipes with family and friends. This is Akshata signing off. Be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon.